It's DIY Levi, and today we've got a Moen kitchen sink faucet that's not spitting water out as good as it could, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. So here we've got a Moen kitchen faucet, and as you can see, the water pressure is not very good, and we're not getting as much water coming out of there. So as you can see, I live on well water, and it's pretty gummed up with just calcium over time, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. So there's a couple different ways I'm going to show you how to fix that. First and foremost, you want to take this off. And as you take that, so this is it's a half and half hydrogen peroxide and hot water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let that soak in there. And I'm going to take my electrical tape here so this doesn't get stuck down there. And I'm going to tape it up just like this. Because there's a big pain in the butt to get that back out of there. So you got that taped up. I'm gonna let that soak for about a half hour, and then we'll show you what we'll do next. So as you can see, I've let this sit in here for a good half hour, and then you want to take a brush and really scrub all that calcium out of there, and then take your hot water and really clean that up, just like that. And you scrub it some more and get that calcium out of there. Then you get a pick tool, or like a toothpick will work, and you clean out those little pores like that. And you do that all through here. Get all that calcium out of there. And I gotta do this every so often because I got hard water and I'm on well water, so try and rinse some of that out of there. And then what you do is you go through each one of these, get them all cleaned out as all that calcium builds up in there. And a toothpick will work well. Get all that crap out of there. And then you can also blow on to get all that crap out. And you can see in there, that's pretty clogged up too. So another thing you can do is try and run some water through there, try and get some of that crap out of there. Make sure you do some hot water. Kind of hard to get some of that out of there, but you just do the best you can. So once you think you got that pretty cleaned up, that looks a lot better. You just hook that back up. Tighten that up real good. And look at that. It's a lot better. And you can, I didn't soak it as long as I would have liked, but just trying to get it back in service. So that's how you do that. And this is a Moen faucet, and you take your tape and roll that back up. So as you can see, I got a lot better pressure coming out of there. Look at that. That's how that's supposed to work. So that's how you do that. That's a Moen faucet, and I'm sure Delta and all them are pretty similar. So thanks for watching, guys.